I'm here to show you how to install and assemble your Bow-ster. First thing you have to do is you have to take the bolt out of your arrow rest. Then take the aluminum spacer and the bolt that's provided, wide side down, and reinstall with the new bolt the spacer. Snug it down. Don't go too tight because it is only aluminum. Okay? Then along with your kit comes the body, the uprights, some small screws and nuts to assemble the Bow-ster. What you have to do, you have to line the upright holes up with the holes in the body. Putting a little lubricant on the uprights wouldn't hurt. Then what you have to do is you have to set the tension that you want to have the holster hold on to your bow. So you slide the Bow-ster over the spacer, but behind the bolt, then take your bowstring, pull it back with your fingers, and hook it under the uprights. You don't need a whole lot of pressure for this operation to work. So once you get it close and lined up, take your fingers, take the tension off the Bow-ster at the string, take your Bow-ster off your bolt, and find the holes that line up to set your tension. Put the small screws in from front to back, but back to front. That part really doesn't matter. But what you want to make sure of is that when you put the uprights in, that they point away from center. Okay? Then what you do, again, clip the body of the Bow-ster underneath the bolt head, take your fingers, set the tension on the strings. This is pretty much how you're going to be set up. If you have a little bit of play like this, all you have to do, take the screws out, small screws out of your assembly, slide it down, one more hole. If you wiggle and twist at the same time, it works pretty good. And then once you have your tension where you want it, you'll take the small nuts and attach them to the back of the small screws. Once you get everything set the way you want it, it wouldn't hurt to put a little thread lock on everything.